this video, we're unboxing the manual diesel fuel injector removal tool set. Our product includes a slide hammer puller, single pry bar, extension rod for the slide hammer puller, matching adapters. Product label: gloves. This is a manual slide hammer puller main kit, which used for removing fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are locked because the carbon burnt to high heat, which can be removed with this kit. This kit includes a slide hammer puller assembly, which includes multiple sockets and adapters, paired with a U-shaped fork, pry bar, and an extension rod. Now let's install this slide hammer puller. Get the puller. Depending on the needs of yourselves and replacing space, choose whether to use the extension rod. Since this time we have plenty of room here, we use the extension rod. Thread the extension rod on. Choose the correct socket adapter for the vehicle. Now we choose the Land Rover Discovery4 30L diesel as an example. Choose this adapter. Tighten it onto the extension rod. Use a 22mm wrench to snug it up. Then use the manual injector puller. Connect the tool to the injector. Use the hammer to strike. Remove the injector. While removing the injector, if it's seized too tight, use the included pry bar to help loosen it. Find an appropriate spot nearby. Pry against the injector, then remove it. Be careful not to pry against on the plastic, or it may get damaged easily.